First and foremost, I would like to thank our CM of Delhi, that's Arvind Kejriwal, for taking me. And today it's been an auspicious day for me for joining this Aam Aadmi Party. That's up. Because this party has got its own ideology and believes, and it makes me believe that there's only hope in AAP for future now in Goa. In Goa, we have tried all the different political parties, and every political party have worked for the benefit of themselves and not for the common men. But I believe AAP, under the leadership of our Kejriwal ji, is committed to work for the downtrodden, for the AAP, for the Aam Aadmi, and that has motivated me and inspired me big time. And that is the reason I am here. Well, I could say under the leadership of Kejriwal sir, the AAP party is like breathing fresh air and giving only hope to the ordinary common men. See, today when I was coming from the airport, let me tell you straight, I was in a auto rickshaw where I was interacting with a driver, auto guy, rig guy. And मैंने उससे बात की और बोला कि क्या खासियत है, क्या लगता है आपको, दिल्ली तो नेशनल पार्टीज है. I did not tell myself that who I am and from where I am coming and from where I am going, where I am heading. And the rickshaw guy told me that नहीं केजरीवाल आपके सिवाय और कोई उपाय नहीं है, देयर इज नो ऑप्शन. आप जाओ मैडम और देखो, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स देखो. आज हम लोगों को इतने प्राउड फील होता है कि हमारे बच्चे गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ते, वो जाकर फैसिलिटी देखो, इधर के हॉस्पिटल्स देखो, आज क्या नहीं किया है. फ्रॉम वीज फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फ्री वाटर. I feel if this government, if AAP comes in Goa, it's gonna be a win-win thing for Goans, because we Goans are looking out for an option. We have seen these national parties which are there are only for themselves and for their benefits and not for the common man. And today if there is option for anyone in Goa, I think it's only AAP. We have seen AAP spurring up. We have seen AAP, the force of AAP. If you all see today on the platform here for the press, I interacted with Arvind Kejriwal sir. Nowhere I felt that I was interacting with the CM of Delhi. Let me tell you all, I have also been a part of National Party in the past, and I have seen how it was, what attitude the CMs, including Goan CMs, what attitude they have. But here while talking to Arvind Kejriwal ji, it was like such a humble guy with so much of humility. He was sitting with his posture, with his chappals, normal shirt, pant, sida sada, and he made me feel like home. So that has impressed me. And I've seen one thing about AK, Arvind Kejriwal ji, that he believes in dynamic workers, he believes in youngsters, he wants to build up the team. It's not about other parties, how it is. Like, especially Congress, I would like to say, it's like they only believe in use and throw, and they only believe in legacy. Sad to say that since I have joined today, they're in Goa today. One thing I would like to say, they're in Goa today. Now they have just appointed a temporary Mahila Adhyaksha, temporary, because I resigned, and it's a big news in Goa. But whom they have again chosen, it's a shame, that's what I'm trying to tell. Again they have chosen a 63-year-old woman who is an ex-wife of the Lok Sabha Parliament MP, or the or I can say the ex-president of GPCC. A old lady again, legacy. You all don't get, there are so many youngsters. So this is what, I am happy that I am in a party where Arvind Kejriwal is heading. They are trying to promote the youth, the hard-working team, the young team, the clean, non-corrupt. And I want to end up only by saying that AAP is the only hope. I am sitting here in the national capital, but I am trying to give a message to Goans. We are coming in Goa. You all have an option now, because you all have seen the corruption what BJP is involved in, and you all have seen how many the mandate what was given to Congress, where they have defected and they have gone and joined for their benefits to BJP. So people want a change. I am appealing to Goans. AAP is coming. see the change and difference it has made in the national capital, and I'm sure that Goans will stand by the AAP, and I'm happy and I'm very thankful to Arvind Kejriwal ji for welcoming me with so much of love and respect, and he has told me that Pratima ji, you are a part of our team and we are with you and you are a family.
Thank you, Kirishma. Let me at the outset thank Madam Sonia ji, the AICC President, Rahul Gandhi ji, Priyanka Gandhi ji, Madam Sushmita Dev ji, Mahila Congress President, who called me in the morning. I thank her from my heart. I thank Seema ji. I thank our General Secretary in charge, Mr. Gundu Rao ji. I thank Girish and all the senior leaders of Congress who actually reposed faith in me and in order to rebuild the Mahila Congress. So I take this charge, which is an interim charge, and I'm happy. I must also thank all my Mahilas, those who are here, those who are at home. They all told me that we are with you. They called me in the morning, they reposed their faith in me, and they told me they are all with me. So I thank all my Mahilas who stood by me, although Pratima has left the party, but still all the Mahilas are with Congress party. And I thank all my Mahilas who are here and who are at home also, because in a very short period I could not contact each and every one of them because I was getting so many calls from morning congratulating. Thanks for that. Now let me tell you one thing. My first priority will be to take up the issues of all the women from Goa. Not only Goa, all over India also sometimes. Then build the organization as the elections are approaching. Within few months we may have elections. So I have to build the organization, I have to strengthen the organization. I don't want it to be individual centric. I want that it should be a party centric. Okay, so my intention is not to build my own image in the society, but the image of the party, which is already there, good image, and which is already there, we have to build that, and not the individual image. And I trust all my Mahilas from Goa that they will cooperate and they will help me to go ahead. I also expect cooperation. I am 100% sure that all my leaders, including the President of Congress, plus all the leaders who are standing here, who are behind the scene, but working day and night hard for the party, I'm going to take the cooperation of each and every individual and strengthen the party. Booth-wise, district-wise.
NCP's candidate now. Putto BJP's B team में So this all they have created confusion, divided the votes, and they have succeeded. By how many votes we lost? Actually, just 375.
National level leaders भी हंगा आएले तिच्या प्रचारात. सीमा Fernandez, she is in charge of Goa.